Good day fellow students in criminology. Today, nandito tayo ngayon sa natawag na Magellan's Cross. Ayan. Yung Magellan's Cross. This cross of Tindalo wood encloses the original cross planted by Ferdinand Magellan on this very site on April 21, 1521. So, noong April 21, 1521, dumating ang ekspedisyon nila Ferdinand Magellan dito sa Cebu. At bilang simbolo, nagtirik siya ng krus dito sa lugar na ito. At doon nagsimula ang Katolisismo dito sa Pilipinas. Dito bininyagan si Raha Humabon at ang ng kanyang mga tauhan makikita sa taas. Tignan natin nakasulat dito. The Cross of Magellan. From time immemorial, this spot has been set aside to commemorate the erection of a cross in Cebu by the expedition of Magellan. When King Humabon of Cebu and his queen, son and daughters, together with some 800 of their subjects, were baptized by Father Pedro Valderrama, this hallowed site was improved in 1735 by Reverend Juan Albaran, Prior of San Agustin, and in 1834 by Reverend Santos Gomez Marañon, Bishop of Cebu. The image of the Santo Niño found by the expedition of Legazpi in a house near the present site of the Cathedral of Cebu is venerated by the faithful in the nearby church of San Agustin. So sa kabila nito, nandyan yung Basilica del Santo Niño of Cebu. So yan yung parang City Hall ng Cebu. So umulan ngayon. So ito yung site ng Magellan's Cross. So thank you. And please like and share.